I am unable to access external websites. Electrical codes and standards are essential for ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical installations. These codes provide a set of rules and guidelines that must be followed to minimize the risk of electrical hazards such as fires, shocks, and explosions. Adherence to these codes is crucial for protecting people and property. Key concepts in electrical safety include proper grounding, overcurrent protection, insulation, and wiring methods. Grounding provides a path for fault current to flow back to the source, tripping a circuit breaker or fuse and preventing electrical shock. Overcurrent protection devices such as circuit breakers and fuses are designed to interrupt the flow of current when it exceeds a safe level, preventing overheating and potential fires. Insulation is used to prevent contact between conductors and other objects, reducing the risk of electrical shock. Proper wiring methods are essential for ensuring that electrical circuits are installed correctly and safely. Compliance with electrical codes and standards is often a legal requirement. Electrical inspectors verify that installations meet the minimum safety requirements outlined in the codes. Failure to comply with these codes can result in fines, penalties, and even legal action. Staying up to date with the latest electrical codes and standards is important for electrical professionals and anyone involved in electrical work. These codes are constantly evolving to reflect new technologies and best practices. Regular training and education are essential for ensuring that electrical work is performed safely and in compliance with the latest requirements. Several organizations develop and publish electrical codes and standards. One of the most widely recognized is the National Electrical Code, or NEC, which is published by the National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA. The NEC is a comprehensive set of guidelines for electrical installations in the United States. It is updated every 3 years to reflect the latest advancements in electrical technology and safety practices. The NEC covers a wide range of topics including wiring methods, overcurrent protection, grounding, and equipment installation. It also includes specific requirements for different types of occupancies, such as residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. Other organizations that develop electrical codes and standards include the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, or IEE, and the American National Standards Institute, or ANSI. These organizations develop standards for electrical equipment, testing procedures, and safety practices. Understanding electrical codes and standards is essential for anyone involved in electrical work. These codes provide a framework for ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical installations. By following these codes, you can help to protect people and property from electrical hazards. Electrical safety is a shared responsibility. Everyone has a role to play in preventing electrical accidents. By following safe practices and complying with electrical codes and standards, we can create a safer environment for ourselves and others. For example, when working with electrical circuits, it is important to always disconnect the power source before beginning any work. This can be done by turning off the circuit breaker or removing the fuse that supplies power to the circuit. It is also important to use insulated tools and equipment to prevent electrical shock. When installing electrical wiring, it is important to follow the manufacturer's instructions and to use the correct wiring methods. Wiring should be properly secured and protected from damage. Overcurrent protection devices such as circuit breakers and fuses should be sized appropriately for the circuit that they are protecting. It is also important to regularly inspect electrical equipment and wiring for signs of damage. Damaged equipment should be repaired or replaced immediately. Electrical safety is not just about following the rules. It is also about using common sense and being aware of the potential hazards. By taking the time to understand electrical codes and standards and by following safe practices, you can help to prevent electrical accidents and protect yourself and others from harm. Electrical codes and standards are complex and can be difficult to understand. If you have any questions about electrical safety, it is always best to consult with a qualified electrician or electrical engineer. They can provide you with expert advice and guidance on how to safely install and maintain electrical systems. Remember, electrical safety is everyone's responsibility. By working together, we can create a safer environment for ourselves and others.